Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Studies, your one stop channel if you are preparing for GTET or CTET, or even you are a teacher who wants to make learning more meaningful for children. So today we will be doing another important topic of child development, that is causes of individual differences, heredity and environment. So everything I will be doing will be according to the CTET syllabus and GTET syllabus, which is given in the official website. Okay, so let us start. Every human being is unique. The differences in behavior, intelligence, personality, and physical features among individuals are called individual differences. प्रत्येकाच्या बिहेवियरान, इंटेलिजन्सान, पर्सनॅलिटीन, फिजिकल फिचर्सान फरक असता. ताकाच इंडिव्हिज्युअल डिफरन्स अशें म्हणटात. These differences are mainly caused by two factors. One is heredity and other one is environment. Both heredity and environment work together to shape an individual's growth, personality, and development. So, individual डिफरन्साक दोन मुखेल कारणां म्हळ्यार हेरिडिटी, that is genes which we get from our parents, and other one is environment, पर्यावरण or परिसर म्हणू शकता आम्ही. हेरिडिटी अँड एनवायरमेंट एकठांय येवन एका व्यक्तीचो विकास घडोवन हाडटा. नेक्स्ट, हेरिडिटी. Heredity means the transmission of characteristics from parents to their children through genes. It determines features like height, color, intelligence, talent, and temperament. So, what does this mean? Heredity म्हळ्यार आवय बापाय कडल्यान भुरग्यांक मेळिल्ले traits. So, according to Woodworth, heredity covers all the factors that are present in the individual when he began life, not at the birth but at the time of conception. So, Wordsworth कितें म्हणटा, a child's heredity starts forming from the moment of conception, not when the baby is born. Now, process of heredity. Sperms from father and ova from mother unite during fertilization. This forms a zygote which contains chromosomes from both parents. The chromosomes carry genes, and these genes determine physical and mental traits. So, when the father's sperm joins mother's ova, a new life begins. This union forms a zygote, which is the first cell of the baby. The zygote has chromosomes, and inside them are genes that decides the baby's physical features like eye color, skin color, and also mental traits like intelligence. Father's sperm gives 23 chromosomes and mother's ovum gives 23 chromosomes. When they unite, zygote is formed with 46 chromosomes. 44 are autosomes which control the body traits of the child, and 2 are sex chromosomes which decides the sex of the baby. If it is XX, then it is a girl, and if it is XY, then it's a boy. Now, there are three main laws of heredity. First one is law of similarity. What does it say? Children often resemble their parents in appearance, intelligence, and behavior. Example, intelligent parents usually have intelligent children. So, law of similarity कितें म्हणटा की भुरगीं चडशी आवय बापायक रिसेंबल करता, आवय बापाय भाशेनूच जाता. सो तांचे अपियरन्स, इंटेलिजन्स, बिहेवियर मोस्टली आवय बापाय सारकोच आसता. Second law is law of variation. Children are not always exact copies of their parents. Due to genetic combinations, they show individual variations. Example, a tall parent may have an average height child. सो सदांच सगळींच भुरगीं आवय बापाय सारकी जातली अशी ना. थोडी भुरगीं आमी अशी पयल्या आसतली तेंचे आवय बापूय लांब आसता पण भुरगीं एवरेज हायटीची असता. सो दॅट इज लॉ ऑफ व्हेरिएशन. थर्ड लॉ इज लॉ ऑफ रिग्रेशन. What does this law says? Sometimes children show opposite traits of their parents. Example, brilliant parents may have dull children and vice versa. So एक एकदा भुरगो आवय बापायच्या ऑपोजिट असता. आवय बापूय हुशार असता पण भुरगो शिकपाक मातसो फाटी असता. Next, now Gregor Mendel, who is also known as the father of genetics, said that traits are passed in a balanced way. If a feature doesn't appear in one generation, it can reappear in the next. सो जर आवय बापायचे ट्रेड्स भुरग्यांक एक एकदां येना पण ताका आजे आजीचे फिचर्स येता. सो दॅट इज वॉट इज सेड इन दिस थियरी विच इज गिवन बाय ग्रेगोर मेंडल. Again, in Galton's biometric theory, same thing has been said. Traits can be inherited not only from parents but also from grandparents or ancestors. So आजो आजी जर लांब असली जाल्यारूय भुरगो लांब जावं शकता अशें जाता in most of the cases. So that was all about heredity. Now let us learn about environment. Environment means everything outside individual that affects development. It includes home, school, family, society, culture, climate, and peer group. So, environment includes everything that helps a person grow, learn, and change. जसो ताची फॅमिली, स्कूल, फ्रेंड्स, ताचें जेवण, ताचो कल्चर, सोसायटी, and surrounding. But it doesn't include genes because genes come from heredity. So, according to Anastasi, environment is everything that affects the individual except the genes. And according to Woodworth and Marcuse, environment covers all the outside factors that act on the individual since birth. हाचो अर्थ कितें? So, from the moment baby is born, everything around them starts influencing their growth and behavior. Next, types of environment. So, there are two types of environment: internal environment and external environment. Let us see what is internal environment first. So, internal environment is the biological and physiological conditions within the body. Example, nutrition, hormones, health condition. So, internal environment means the condition inside a person's body. It affects how the body grows and functions. Like the kind of food we eat will influence the growth of our body or health of our body. Next is external environment. External environment is divided into physical environment and social environment. Now, physical environment includes natural things like air, water, etc. This affects our health and the way of living. Now, social environment is what? It includes people and social factors such as family, friends, teachers, school, and these factors influence the behavior of a person. So, external environment means condition outside the body that influence person's life and development. Now, effects of environment. Environment influences physical growth, mental ability, personality, language, moral and emotional development. So the physical growth kashi, environment affects how our body grows and stays healthy. Mental ability means a good environment with education, encouragement, and learning opportunity improves thinking and intelligence. हे आम्ही क्लासान सुद्धा पळयता आसतली ज्या भुरग्यांचो एनवायरमेंट बरो आसता घरा कडेन ती अँड यू नो देर इज लॉट ऑफ एनकरेजमेंट कमिंग फ्रॉम होम सो प्लस आम्ही जर तांकां लर्निंग ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज दिली जाल्यार तेंचो थिंकींग पावर इंटेलिजन्स इम्प्रूव जाता. नेक्स्ट इज पर्सनॅलिटी. The people and situations around us shape our behavior, habits, and attitudes. Language. Children learn to speak by listening to others in their surrounding. So, वो environmentaचो एक important factor कित्याक language भुरगीं दुसऱ्याचें आयकूनच शिकता. Then is moral and emotional development. Environment teaches us right and wrong and helps us control our feelings. Teachers they guide children to be honest, respectful, and caring towards others. So that's why these are important factors of environment that influence physical growth, mental ability, personality, language, moral, and emotional development. Your example also is given. A child growing up in a peaceful and educated family develops better social and moral qualities than one from a disturbed home. जर भुरग्याचो family, family is educated, he is living in peaceful environment, then त्या भुरग्या भितर आमकां बरे क्वॉलिटीज पळोवपाक मेळटा, बरे मॅनर्स पळोवपाक मेळटा, अदर देन दी चायल्ड हू इज ऑलवेज डिस्टर्ब्ड at home. Let us quickly go through relationship between heredity and environment. Heredity and environment are not separate, they work together. Heredity provides the potential while environment helps in its realization. Example, a child may inherit musical talent, but without training and exposure, it will not develop. Now, this example I had given in my previous video also. So, heredity and environment work together. They both help in shaping a person's growth and personality. These are important factors जे भुरग्याक घडयता. Heredity gives a person his inborn qualities like intelligence, talent, or physical features. And environment कितें करता? It provides right conditions to develop or enhance these qualities. Okay. जशें हांगा एग्जाम्पल दिला की भुरग्याक म्युजिकल टॅलंट आवय बापाय कडच्यान येता बट ताका प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग खंयच्यान मेळटा ताच्या टिचरा कडच्यान किंवा म्युजीक कोण एक्सपर्ट आसा एंड देन हीज टॅलंट गेट्स एनहॅन्स्ड. Okay, so lastly, we are going to discuss about a role of a teacher, that is educational implications. First one is understand both heredity and environment of students. So teacher should know students' abilities to understand why they learn or behave in a certain way. Second one is create a supportive classroom environment to develop inborn talent. म्हणजे teacher should make the classroom safe and friendly for the child. Third one is use individualized teaching methods to match students' capacities. So teachers should change teaching methods based on each student's ability. Fourth one is provide guidance and motivation according to the student's background. So teachers should motivate and guide students by considering their home environment. And last one is encourage equal opportunities for all learners. म्हणजे teacher should not be biased and teacher should treat all the students fairly. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this explanation helpful and easy to understand. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share,